Good morning, children. I would like to welcome each and everyone to the EVS class. And children, we have already started with our revision class. And yesterday we have done lesson 1 and 2, and today we are going to do lesson number 3, that is my body. So let us start. What were the learning outcome, or rather what we have learned from this lesson? Learning outcome, we have learned about our body parts. We have learned about our different body parts. Then we have learned about the three main parts of our body. Children, did you remember about the three main parts of the body? Yes, it is the head, trunk and the limbs. Then next we have learned about the function of our body parts. Even we have learned about the different functions of our body parts. So we are going to do one by one. We have learned about taking care of our body parts. So the most important thing is how to take care of our body parts. We have learned in our few last classes. So let us see. Okay, children, looking at the picture, you can get an idea that is it's our body parts, my body. Okay, we have different body parts. So what are they? Head, eyes, mouth, shoulders, chest, wrist, finger, thighs, legs, knees, foot, stomach, arms, neck, ears and hands. These are the different body parts. Okay, now let us see what we have next. Yes, now we are here with the main parts of our body, children. It's already written, my body has three main parts. Okay, the three main parts are, what are they, children? Head, trunk and limbs. Always remember there are three main parts of the body, that is the head, trunk and the limbs. Okay, children, now we are going to learn one by one what we have in our different parts of the body. Let us see. This is my head. So under head, what do you have, children? Always remember, head is the uppermost part of the body. So head is the uppermost part of the body. The head has a face. So what a head has? A head has a face. Okay, the head has a face. Then in the face, what here? The forehead is there. Then eyes are there. Then we have the mouth. Then we have the ears. We have cheeks. Okay. Then we have the neck also. It is under the part of our head. Okay, children. Now what we have? What are the things we have in the head? We have the forehead is there. Then we have eyes is there. Then we have the mouth. We have the nose. Then we have the neck. We have the ears and we have the cheeks also. These are all the all parts of our face. Okay, now let us see for the next. Yes, now it is about the trunk or the torso. So you should remember that trunk or torso is the middle part of the body. It is the middle part of the body. It is the middle part of the body. So from here, from the shoulder to the waist, okay, to the stomach. So what we have in our middle part of our body, we have the shoulder, then we have the chest and we have the stomach. Okay, so remember, in the middle part of our body, that is torso or trunk, it has a shoulder is there as already said, then chest is there and the stomach. Clear, children? Now let us see for the next slide what we have. Okay, now next we have the limbs. Okay, limbs of the arms. Limbs are our arms and legs. Okay, limbs are our arms and legs. So what we have under arms, let us see. We have the elbow. We have the elbow here. Then the wrist is there. Then we have the hand, children. We have the hands. We have hands. Then we have fingers. We have fingers and also nails. Okay, did you get me, children? Once again I will be sharing so that you can get a clear idea. that is limbs of arms are our arms and legs. So we are starting with the arms. So we have the elbow, we have the wrist, we have the nails, we have the fingers, and we have the hands, you can see, and these are the arms part. Okay, these are the parts of the arms. Then let us see, move to the next. What we have the limbs, legs. Okay, limbs, that is legs, have knee. What we have, children? We have the knee, then we have the leg, we have the toe, we have the foot. Okay, children, we have even the nails here, and this is the ankle part. Okay, we have this under the legs. What we have, children? We have the knees, ankles, feet, toes, and nails. Now let us see what we have in our next. Now we are going to collect information about the different important body parts, or rather what are the function they do. So children, with the ear, what you do, children? With the ear you hear, you listen. Okay. Then with the eyes you see, we see the world around us. With the nose we smell. Okay, with the nose we smell, and nose help us to breathe. Then with the mouth, what happens? We are able to speak and we are able to eat also. Then we have the hands, and it helps us to do different kinds of work. Are you clear, children? Now let us move to the next part. So next part we have, the very important part is that taking care of our body. What are the different ways in which we have to take care of our body, children? So let us see what are the how we should take care of our body. Yes, brush your teeth. We have to brush our teeth twice a day. We have them early in the morning and at night. Then we have to take a shower. Shower means we have to bath daily. We have to bath daily. Then we have to wash our hands before and after eating meals. Okay, what should we have learned? Number one, we have learned about the brushing of our teeth, that is twice a day. Then taking a shower means you have to bath daily. Then wash your hands, that means washing your hands with soap and water. Okay, with soap and water, and before and after eating meal. Then we have to take rest and sleep also. We have to give our body rest. It's very important. Then we also have to eat healthy food. Okay, children, we have to eat healthy food, not junk food but healthy food. Like we have to take milk daily, we have to eat milk, we have to daily we have to drink milk. Then even we have to drink water also. It's very important for our body. Okay, then the most important thing is the exercise. We have to do regular exercise to keep our body fit and healthy. Okay, children, these are the things we have learned in our today's revision class. I hope you have understood. And children, if you have any difficulties, you can message me so that I'll be helping you out to do the to learn it more clearly. Okay, children, now I would like to wind up my class here. And children, take care and please start studying for your exam. Okay, children, bye and take care.